Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see if this circular saw can cut through these screws, including this 4-inch lag bolt. Stick around, let's see what happens. First drive in the epoxy covered wood screw, and then the black oxide wood screw, the galvanized wood screw, and then we'll do the deck screw, and then lastly we'll do the 4-inch lag bolt. So let's take a look at the blade and see. It looks like every single tooth on that blade has sheared off. Now I'm used to one or two, but like every single one, we're not getting through anymore. So let's take the screws out and see what happened here. You can see that epoxy coated wood screw, we cut right through that one. But then this black oxide one, yeah, it didn't even make it. It barely got even a mark on there. You can see it started, it tried, but there's no way it was gonna go through that one. So yep, looks like this circular saw is not getting very far. Well, I still want to get through all these, so let's pull out the reciprocating saw with the bimetal blade and see what happens. It's going to cut through all of these. A little extra work than normal, but we're going to get through all of them, even that 4-inch lag bolt. So we're just about through here. You can see it throw up a cloud of smoke there as we are cutting through it. And now that we finally cut through all of those, let's go ahead and take a look. And yep, we definitely cut all the threads off that, so we got to pry it up with the screwdriver. And if we made it through the last one, then yeah, we definitely cut through all the other ones. So, well, we know the results. We all knew that a reciprocating saw could cut through that with a bimetal blade, but yeah, when you hit some screws and some nails with your circular saw, you're done, and you're gonna have to be buying a new blade. So this circular saw is no match to a bunch of screws. Got to pull out the reciprocating saw. Well guys, don't tell my wife, I really did need a new circular saw blade, so now that I know it doesn't work, this is an excuse to definitely go out and buy a new one. Alright, she said I could buy a new one anyways. But here you can see the 6.5-inch circular saw blade, clearly every single tooth was sheared off. Just curious if you guys have any 18 volt or 20 volt circular saws that would have made it through this and what kind of blade you use. Go ahead and comment down below, like and subscribe. And as always guys, work smarter, not harder, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.